Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and look what I have here. An empty place where usually this is a hot spot for bikers to hang out, and for it to be empty, this is quite rare. If you didn't know already, this is Bukit Tinggi, Pahang, and I am going to be recording my onboard video going downhill, and I'll be recording the video using both my cameras, the GoPro Hero 8 and the Insta360 1R. I have been wanting to combine both shots from my two cameras, but I never really got to it because I really hate the editing part, but somehow I am in the mood today, so I hope you enjoy it, and let's go for a ride. made it to the end of the road, and if you are still with me, thank you for coming on a ride with me. And if you would like to be riding out on a public road like this, be sure to always be safe at all times. As you can see here, there are a lot of cars coming in, so there's definitely traffic. With that said, I am signing off. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.